Today we're going to be taking a look at the MOMAN C2 wireless microphone setup. It's advertised as being able to transmit 40 meters, has gain control, an OLED screen, built-in microphone, USB-C charging, and it's widely compatible. The back of the box has some basic specs. Looks like there's some QR codes to some apps. Inside the box, it looks like we have a quick start tutorial. Looks like you scan some QR codes and it'll take you to a website. And it looks like the user manual, pretty basic, not much to it, but then again, these are pretty simple little units. Has a clamshell case. It's a semi-rigid, made out of a type of foam type material. Inside, we have a plethora of cables and the units themselves. First off, it looks like we have a double-ended USB-C charging cable, so you can charge both units at the same time. If I can get the camera to focus here. The one end is USB-C, the other end is USB-A. The lapel clip. Windscreen for the lapel microphone. The extension cable for hooking it up to your recorder device. This is the lapel microphone. Looks to be kind of an omnidirectional mic. This is an adapter so that you can use your cell phone as a recording device. It's a nice bonus feature in there. And the windsock, also known as a dead cat, this attaches directly to the transmitter, which also has a built-in microphone. This is the receiver. The clip also doubles as a mount to mount on a hot shoe plate. We have the headphone out or output to attach to a recorder device, USB-C charging. It's not much bigger than my thumb. This is the transmitter. It's the same size as the receiver. There's your built-in microphone. Again, this also has the ability to mount to a hot shoe plate, USB-C charging port, and microphone in. Looks like we have a bonus peel. There's 2 layers. Why is that so satisfying? The fit and finish on these is very, very nice. Small, lightweight, but still has a premium feel. And there you have it, the MOMAN microphones.